Hi children, how are you? I hope you are well at home. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 6, Raman, the man of wit. What is this? This is one of the story. I'll teach you. First I will read the lesson, then I will explain it. Raman belonged to a place called Tenali, and so he was called Tenali Raman. He was a Telugu poet. He was one of the minister of King Krishnadevaraya. He was a lively man and used to solve the problems of the court a very amusing manner. He was a man of wit. Krishnadevaraya was fond of birds and animals. He had many beautiful and rare birds and animals in his palace. One day a visitor came to the court with a strange looking bird in a cage. Bowing low before the king, he said, "Your Majesty, I caught this strange but beautiful bird in the forest yesterday. It can sing sweetly like a cuckoo and can also talk like a parrot. It is not only colorful like the peacock, but it can dance like a one too. I have come to sell this bird to you." The king saw the colorful bird and said, "Yes, this bird does look rare. It is also quite beautiful. I'll keep it." He ordered the court treasurer to give the visitor 50 gold coins and put the cage in the palace garden. Just then Raman got up and bowing before the king said, "Your Majesty, I'm sorry to disturb you, but I don't think this bird can dance like a peacock in the rain. If you will let me, I would like to prove it to you." The king was confused. He nodded his head, allowing Raman to prove his point. Raman picked up a jug of water and poured it on the bird in the cage. Colored water started flowing off the bird's body. Everyone in the court was surprised. Raman continued to pour the water on the bird. The rare and colorful bird turned into an ordinary light brown pigeon. The king was very surprised. Looking first at the bird and then at Raman, he asked, "How did you realize that this bird had been dyed with colors?" "From the visitor Niles, Your Majesty. The colors he used on the bird are still present on his nails and fingers." The visitor tried to run away from the court, but the court guards caught him and, as per the king's order, put him in the prison. Okay, this is one of the nice story, children. Here, Raman. Who is Raman? Tenali Raman. He was one of the Telugu poet. Okay, so he is called a. You listened already many stories about the Tenali Raman. He is one of the comedian and even the one of the minister in the king of the Krishna Devaraya. He was one of the lively man. That means the full energy of the man, and he solved many problems in the court, like from the laughing, smiling manner. So he is very solve problems with a intelligent way. So he is called a man of wit. Do you know, children? There are many problems he solved in the court of the Krishna Devaraya. So he always proud to be is one of the minister, funny minister. Krishna Devaraya was fond of birds and animals. He like to collecting rare birds and animals, and he kept in his palace. In olden days, there is a kingdom, and the king lives in the big palace. There are many gods. Okay, at that time, one day one visitor came to the court. When they are talking in the court, even King Krishnadevaraya. There are 8 ministers and there are many peoples they are sitting when they are sitting in the court. One of the visitor means so rarely came to visit king with a strange looking bird in his cage. He brought one of the cage ಅಂದರೆ ಪಂಜರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. So he brought it, no? So this is the cage. So inside the cage, one of the rare bird is there. Rare means we cannot found commonly. We cannot found commonly. So there, that bird he brought from the cage where a place, which place? Court. They are meeting in the court, no? So that place. So when he came near to the king, he is bowing low. Bowing low andre he is respecting. So when you meet to the teacher, you will be respect by the hand, no? Good morning, like. So on that in a kingdom time, so they are bowing low ಅಂದರೆ ತಲೆ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಗ್ಸೋದು ಅಂತ. He is respect to the king and he asked, your majesty. Majesty means god or king. I caught this strange bird, beautiful bird in the forest yesterday. That visitor said, I saw in the forest a beautiful bird, so I brought it to give you. So it can sing like cuckoo and it can also talk like parrot and it look like peacock. Even it can dance like a peacock. Like he said, he is telling about the bird. So when the looking that, the king was surprised. Is it? So it can look like peacock, it can dance, it can talk like a parrot and it can sing as cuckoo. You know the cuckoo bird? It can sing very sweetly like that. So the all qualities are there in that bird. So means it is a rare bird. Is it? No. So he liked that. The king, who is the king? The king Krishnadevaraya. He liked. He ordered to the court treasurers. Treasurers means a person who responsible for the money. For them called to pay the money to him and to take that. He informed to the treasurer to give 50 gold coins to him. But at that time, everybody are quiet in the court. But the Raman, who is the Tenali Raman, he got up and bowing before the king said. So that means he is respect to the king. Your Majesty, I am sorry to disturbing you. The king, I am disturbing you too. What? Why? Because I have one of the doubt. Can I prove it? Like he asked. Who can ask? Tenali Rama asked to the Krishnadevaraya. So he can prove it. It is not like peacock. It is not a rare bird. Something happened. Like. So Krishnadevaraya confused. Is it? Okay. You can carry. Moved head up and down. He says, yes, okay, you can prove it. Like, but Raman proved that point. How? He asked one jug of the water. He poured the water into the peacock. What will happen, no children? So the color all went off when he pouring the water. When he pour the water, the color of the peacock, it can flow off from the water. So the rare bird become like a brown pigeon. It can become a pigeon. Why? Because it is not the parrot, it is not the peacock, and it is not the cuckoo. What is this? It is the pigeon. So how it can become? The visitor who came is colored for that. And the king was very surprised. So he asked to the Raman, Tenali Raman, he proved it, no? How you can realize this bird? It's dyed ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. So how it can put some colors, think how you can know that? Like he asked. He said, Majesty, I saw the visitor still his nails are in colors. So what he put for the bird, no? So that colors are there in his nails. So that's why uh, I know that. So when the people knows this, at that time the visitor tried to run away from the court, but there are many members in the court. No, the court gods ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಲ್ ಕಾಯೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. So they went and caught him. They can catch him, and the king is ordered to put him the prison ಅಂದರೆ ಜೈಲು. So on that king's time, the people those who are doing any like mistakes, they can give the king punish them, they can put into the prison. Okay children, like this Tenali Rama, there are many stories. He is one of the wit. It means he can solve out many problems in the court. So like this, maybe you are understand this story. Next class I'll give the next lesson, and I will send the notes for this lesson. You can copy down children. Bye.